Well, action.
Yeah.
I have my doubts you'll even get on that bus on Wednesday.
I mean, you're entitled to have your doubts, but I am going.
And then what? How about when you get there? There'll be nobody to stop you from just skipping out on the rehab and reverting back to your old ways.
I mean, what am I going to do? I don't know anyone up there.
Maybe Jason and I could drive you.
I can't ask you to do that. It's almost 3 hours away.
But if we were there, we could see you walk in. That might give us a little peace of mind, you know?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah. That's what we'll do. Huh. I'm going to call Jason right now.
Thank you. Really, this is amazing of you.
Yeah, I'm liking this idea. We'll take Van, too. We'll make a whole... Hey!
Okay.